is Malay, and today we're going to tackle about the lesson 1, which is the prime and composite number. So we have here a 10 problem that we're going to solve, by which they are divisible. So number 1 question is, in every number is divisible by 1. So how uh, to find a divisible by 1? So the example of this is the 7 then divided by 1 is equal to 1. Dahil nga 7 is i-divide mo siya sa kanyang sarili, which is ang sagot din ay 1. So number 2 is, a number is divisible by 2 if it is even. So we have here the example, which is 68. So 68 divided by, ano yung divide natin? 34 is equal to 2. So we have 2. Then next one is 34 times 2 is equal to 68. So nakuha na yung 68 na i-divide sa 34. So number 3 here is, a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of each digit is a multiply of 3. So we have an example, which is 1236. So meron tayong 36 in their last digit. So all we're going to do is 36 ay i-divide natin sa 4. So 36 divided by 4 is equal to 9. Or wait lang. So 1000. So if ganito kasi, if tayo ng another, which is 1458, for instance, is hahanapin natin ang kanyang kung paano natin siya i-divide, which is 18 divided by 3. So yan. So through that is 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. Dahil nga dyan is yan tayo 486 then times 2 3. So we have 1458. So nakuha na yung 4458. Get it? So next question is number 4. A number is divisible by 4 if its last two digits are divisible by 4. So example, we have, ayun na nga, 1236. So meron tayong last digits na 36. So next is 36 is i-divide natin sa 4. So 36 divided by 4, so 36 divided by 4 is equal to 9. So Susunod din naman natin. I-bring down naman natin yung 1,236 to 1,236 divided by 4. Ay, kukunin natin ito is equal to 309. So, through that is ito naman yung 309 then times o i-multiply natin sa 4 is equal to 1,236. So, nakuha na yung 1,236 by subtracting into 4. Yung 4. Are we clear? So, let's proceed to the question number 5. A number is divisible by 5 if its last digit is either 0 or 5. So, example, we have 2,000 2,345, then i-divide natin sa 5. So, which is, the answer is 64. 64 ba? 69. Then, so 69 is, magkakaroon tayo ng 469 tapos i-multiply natin sa 5 and the answer is 2,345. So yeah, so what is yung ating divisible is 5. The last two digit is either 0 or 5. So, ayan. Find yung ating last digit. So, let's proceed to question number 6. We have, if number is divisible by 6, if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. So, for instance, we have 174 and then divide natin, which is magkakaroon siya ng 174 is 12. Then yung 12 is divisible niya by 3. Yung 12 is divisible niya ay 3. So after that is we have 174 divided by 6, yes, is equal to 29. And then yung 29 times mo siya, multiply it into ano kaya mas maganda, 29 by 6. Okay, 6 is equal to 174. So, nakuha na yung sagot sa 174 by 6. 29 times 6. So, proceed naman tayo sa problem number 7. A number is divisible by 7 if the difference between twice the unit digit and the remaining digit is divisible by 3. So, for instance, we have 203. So by 203 is ita times mo yung last digit, which is 2 times 3 is equal to 6. So by that is kukunin naman natin yung first digit and their second digit, which is 20, then subtract it into 6. So the answer is 14. Then yung 14 is divisible by 7. So we had 203 divided by 7 is equal to 29. Then yung 29 times mo siya ng 7 is equal to 203. So yan yung sagot sa question number 7. Are we clear? Then naman, proceed naman tayo sa problem number 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the last 3 digits are divisible by n. So for instance, we have 5,128, and then yung second, third, and fourth number is ito, 128 ay i-divide natin sa 8. So the answer is 16. After that, we have copy natin yung 5,128 divided by 8. Di-divide naman natin sa 8 is magiging 641. So next naman is 641 times 8. Times naman natin sa 8 is equal to 641, then times 8 is 5,128. Yes, so nakuha na yung 5,128 by 8. Are we clear? So next proceed to question number 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of each digit is divisible by 9. For instance, we have 1,539. So, alam din naman natin na 539 is just added into, which is magiging added 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 18. Magiging 18. Then after that is yung 18 ay divisible in 9 to 9. Ganito lang kasi. 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. Ganon. The next step, so the next one is copy the 1,539, then divided by 9. Ito yung 9 divisible by 9. Then 9. Then is equal to 172. 1. And then next, then 171 times 9 is equal to 1,539. So yan yung sagot sa question number 9. Have 9. Then, are we clear? So the last but in the least question is, a number is divisible by 10 if the unit digit is 0. So for instance, we had 1,230. And then, so 1,230 na ito is i-identify natin yung last digit na 0. And then 1,230 then divided by 10 is equal to 123. Yun. So next step naman is 123 ito. 123 then times natin sa 10. Yung 10. Yes, I write 10 is equal to 1,230. So the answer for the question number 10 is 1,230. So this is the final output of our problem, which is they have the solution in number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and at the back, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, and number 10. So this is the end of my video presentation. I hope you enjoy for this. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Dip, 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 dip.